This is EQS 580, new electric car from Mercedes-Benz. One of the things that I love about this car is the ambient light feature. It's got an upgrade from the previous ambient light where you could only see it during nighttime light. So this one has very bright ambient light, and you have 64 different colors, so you can change it here in the menu or just by voice. My favorite is purple, very bright and cool. And you have multicolor. In multicolor you have different colors, so blue going into white, you have orange here, and even on the side bolster of the seat. How cool is that?